Hello America, Mark Kelson here today in beautiful Junction City, Oregon to present to you this 2014 Canyon Star by Newmar. It's the 3920 model, so it's very special. It's a toy hauler. You don't see these very often. Let's go inside and take a look what it has to offer. Beautifully equipped unit, 39 feet, 29 feet of it is motorhome, the other 10 feet is the toy hauler portion of it. But you have the couch here that makes out into the bed along with the dinette. Corian countertop with the extra leaf that comes up. Stainless steel sink, 2 sinks. The Moen faucet, very nice. Newmar quality, 2014 version. Mitered corners on the cabinetry. You do have right here the 3-burner cooktop stove right there with a lot of drawers, and they're full extension drawers in a Newmar. Very well built. Up here, Frigidaire, convection micro, look at that. Right here you have the Norcold 2-door refrigerator and freezer. So when you're out at the beach or whatever doing your toy hauling, you got enough food to eat. Right over here you got beautiful window looking out on the driver's side, and this does fold down into a bed for you. Extension drawers underneath right there for more storage. Nice mirror right there. Coming back here you have your bathroom. Good lighting in that bathroom. You got the exhaust fan up above. Huge shower. Good elbow room in that shower. Everything you need in a bathroom. And it does have the pocket door in this one. Coming into the back right here you have the queen bed that folds up. Absolutely wonderful. This is a true queen also, so it's a 60 by 80, and then a window up above, nice accent lighting. You do have a TV over here and a wardrobe on both sides, a bank of drawers underneath, and an emergency exit right there. Pretty cool. Now that's your 29 feet of regular motorhome. Coming to the back, look at this. You have a 10-foot area back here, put a Harley back here. You can fit a Razor back here, little adjustment on that door back there. But this is wonderful, self-contained with the door. You have a washing machine or dryer washer combo, the TV back here. Up above you have 2 beds actually, or this can be made into a couch, and then another bed up above. So you can sleep, 6 people back here. Just right there, and you do have the lighting that comes in, another exit window right there. Huge door behind you that folds down. This is a great coach, 1 in a million. Come on up front, let's get into the cockpit and see what it has up there. So this is a 2014, so it's on the Ford chassis. It's got a 362 horsepower V10 engine. Everything right up here at the touch of a button. You have your cruise control right there at your fingertips. You have your extenders right there for your auto leveling. This does have a battery boost. It has a tow haul mode. This has low miles in it. You also have a nice CD player and then your backup camera along with your side cameras on this coach. Just everything you could want. Up above you do have a nice Sony TV and home theater system right there. And then you do have a Weingart up there. There might be a Weingart up on top. We'll look when we go outside. If there is, that's a plus. So let's go outside and take a look at the outside. Outside TV, full body paint. And this coach, just wonderful. Side hinge bay doors. And that's a water tank right there. But these are up nice and high with a lot of room under there. So like that, see how I just went right under that and there's no problem, didn't bang my head. There's another area right there. We're on the 22.5-inch tires here. Very nice. Here's the door to the back section. These get a little smaller here, right here, but plenty of room for anything you might want. There were some tire covers right there. And the Canyon Star, and again some more storage. Coming around to the back, here's your door. You release it right up here. Well, let's see. I can probably do this very easily. and it just comes down like this. And when you want to put it back up, just lift it right back up. 50 amp service on this coach. Some more storage. You're going to be out boondocking or whatever, you're going to need all that. So this is the right coach for you. More storage right there. And right here is your wet bay. So you have your water filter, all your connections to the sewer, your outside shower, which is very important down in the sand, whatnot. More storage underneath. And then you're going to have a big propane tank, so you have that little extra fuel on board for when you need it down there and you're camping. But I'll tell you, this is a great coach. Just took it in on trade. If this coach or any of the coaches we have interests you, please give me a call. Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Do yourself a favor, get out and camp while you can.